Hey there. See, I'm just sitting out on the back deck. Got the barbecue grill lit, having a drink. Just got finished doing some mowing. Cat's hanging out with me. Hey, kitty cat. Hey, meow meow. Kids are in the pool. Got one neighbor running a chainsaw. My other neighbor reminding the other neighbors not to mess with him. You see, that's what it's like living in the country. You mind your own business. You take care of your own property. You're responsible. You pay your bills on time. You shoot your guns. You have your fun. You have your drinks. You grill your burgers. Your kids can play and not have to worry about the bull crap that's going on in the cities. When I say we don't have to worry, I do worry. I know I probably shouldn't worry, but if you don't worry, you don't consider the possibility that the violence and unrest can spread and eventually end up in your backyard. I like my backyard. I keep it mowed. We have a garden. We have our pets. We have chickens. We have animals. I have a shooting range. And I don't want violence on my place. I don't want it anywhere near me. But it's going to be here eventually. And when it comes, I want to be ready for it. You see, out here in the country, when you hear gunshots, you smile. Why? Because no one's getting shot. They're out practicing, having a good time, learning how to protect their families. That's what it's like to hear gunshots in the country. When you hear gunshots in the city, you start ducking, looking for cover, calling the cops, wondering who just died. It's totally different. See, when somebody unloads a magazine out here, I don't think any bad thing about it. My neighbors are shooting over there. They've shot 100 rounds so far. Don't bother me none. It doesn't bother me because I did the exact same thing yesterday with friends out behind my barn. Everybody around knows we have guns. Knows not to mess with people. Knows to respect you. Wave at you when they pass you on the street. It's a lot of respect out here. And we earn it. We deserve it. And we give it. So just think about those things.